Good morning. I'm going to Seng Guan Temple, which is a Buddhist temple that I've been attending since I was little. So I'm just gonna come and see anong pagkakaiba. Okay, and we'll see what's inside. Alalay ko, ayan, nasa harap.
We're not going down.
I'm going down now. Oh, sige. Going down, so I'm the one going down. Okay. Okay, so it used to have a lot of vendors. It used to have a lot of vendors outside, but I don't know what's happening. There's no vendors now. So. Good morning, Kuya. It's basically the same. Still dark. Yep. Light some incense. If you're new to this channel, I've been showing you around the Philippines lately and a few more videos after this because I have stayed in the Philippines for about 3 months, so I'd like to share you some of my adventure. So please subscribe if you haven't subscribed and give me a thumbs up. Alright, let's complete our little tour of the Seng Guan Temple. Looks like the vessel that you put your incense in after you pay respect is now moved from this place here inside to outside here. And I guess because of the smoke that all the incense have, especially on the weekend, there's a lot of people here. I remember when I was little, it was so smoky in here that you could hardly breathe. And there you go. This section here is where you give a person, somebody should be standing here, but there's nobody today, and an offering, some money, and in return to keep this oil vessel lighted, and you say a blessing or two for a certain person, and there's no set amount to give. And this lady over here is throwing some wooden pieces of stuff and then sort of was asking Buddha for an opinion of what he thinks she should do. Let's go upstairs. It's still the same, you know, probably can use some cleaning. Kind of just as I remembered it. It's like old terracotta flooring, tiles. Yeah, exactly the same. This is a big hall where they have the service or chanting on Sunday. Okay, so that's the 3 Buddha. The one in the center is Gautama Buddha, which is the founder of Buddhism. And above here are wood carving of the life of Buddha. So this is the first one here is where he was born as a prince, and then he left his wife, dethroned himself, and here looks like he went out in the woods to meditate and finally reached enlightenment, and then he has those followers for his teachings and, you know, help mankind. Eventually towards the end here is when he passed away, and that's when all his disciples sort of linger around him. Anyhow, so that's his life. A prince who became the founder of Buddhism. That's pretty old. I remember that when they had to hit it. And some of these they used during chanting. Yep, all of this instrument, and this is the gong that you hit this with. Yep, that's the sound. Well, that means that's calling. I didn't want to hit it too loud, but yeah. And this is the new annex before, but of course, I knew this was built when I was a child. It's a bigger hall, so there's another service that can occur here. This section here is called the Medicine Buddha Hall or the Thousand Buddha Hall. And this section is the 1000 arms and eye Bodhisattva, and she is known to help and comes out in different forms at different times to help people in need. So that's what the symbol of all those arms, and I believe each arm has an eye, so she can keep a close eye on you. And of course, flowers, we offer flowers. These are jasmine, and I don't know what the bottom flower is, but I remember buying a lot of these and just offering it to Buddha. Well, thank you for joining me with this tour at Seng Guan Temple in Tondo, Manila. And if you do like this video, please like and subscribe to East West Picayune. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. What religion do you belong to? And of course, what country are you watching my video? And until next time, bye!